Good morning, everyone. Okay, so let's try this. This is we're calling this emphasis with color. So you're gonna open up an image. So you say File, Open, and I opened up this image. I didn't really need to tell it to do that, but yes, you File, open up your image, and then you say Layer, Duplicate Layer. And then we're going to make it black and white. So you go Image, Adjustment, Black and White. So you have two layers, and we're going to take the eraser tool, and you can right click on that and decide how big you want the eraser to be. And then you simply erase the top layer that's black and white so that the color layer can come through. So how does this look? So it's fun if your subject has a lot of colors all over it. So we could do this where she's in color, or undo. I could do the opposite where all this is in color all around her. Should be fun because there's green grass, right? So you want to do a good job, unlike I did where her hair is coming through. Let me say undo. And you can zoom in. If you're on a Chromebook, you're going to say Control plus, but on a Mac, it's Command plus. So that's always fun because we have Macs at school and you're going to get used to your Chromebooks and then be like, no, I keep hitting the wrong button. Oh, I did it again. Yeah, okay. So you get the idea. So it's up to you to come up with a really cool idea. I wish there was more blue sky, and I can make this sky blue. I'm just going to do a new layer, and I'm going to paint with paint some blue. And I'm going to emphasize with color. Watch this. Look at this. Yes, that's cool. That looks really good. Let me make this a little smaller here. So I could take my eraser after I'm done painting and I could smooth it, or I could change the opacity a little. And let's see what happens if I burn it in. I think that's fine. I'll just do this where I go all the way over, and then I can take my eraser afterward and clean it up. So it's like one solid color. And then I'll take my eraser because it's on its own layer. See that? I think that's cool. And if you want, you could just make it have a little see-through. So now look, there's a little bit of color in her. So she's not completely black and white. You could do that. Look at that. That's very subtle. That looks pretty. So then you'd save it as a JPEG. Oh, if you're saving on a Chromebook, it's export as. Actually, I don't want to erase the picture of the original, so I have to rename it. Save as JPEG, and this is my emphasis. Color. Apple. Cool. All right. Thank you so much.